My dear student, today's topic is polygon, a new chapter. So, first 1.1, what is open curve? So, a curve whose starting point and end point are not same. The curve that does not end at the starting point is called open curve. Here, this is the starting point of the curve and this is the end point of the curve. So these 2 points are not same, so it is open curve. This is the starting point and this is the end point. So these 2 points are not same, so this is an open curve. This is also a open curve. Starting point and end point are not same. Next, closed curve. A curve that begins and end point are same point is called closed curve. If we consider this is the starting point and this is the end point, so these 2 points are same, starting point and end point are same, so this is a closed curve. This is also a closed curve. If we start from here, then this is the end point, so starting point and end point are same, so it is a closed curve. It is also a closed curve. Next, simple closed curve. A closed curve which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. So this is the example of simple closed curve. Next, this curve is not intersect each other. Next, polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called polygon. So this is the example of polygon. Here A, B, C, D, E is a polygon because all the sides are straight line. So it is a polygon and these are called the sides. Next, concave polygon. A polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree is called convex polygon. So this is a polygon of 4 sides and its one of the interior angle is more than 180 degree, so it is concave polygon. Concave quadrilateral or concave polygon. Next, convex polygon. Convex polygon. A polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree is called convex polygon. Here, this is a polygon of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and all the interior angle is less than 180 degree. So it is a convex polygon. Here it is a polygon, each interior angle is less than 180 degree. So it is a convex polygon. Convex quadrilateral or convex polygon. Regular polygon. When each of the sides of a polygon are equal to each other, then it is called a regular polygon. Equilateral triangle, square are the example of regular polygon. Next, each of the sides and each of the angle also. When a polygon having all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal is called regular polygon. So in case of equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree each and each angle is 60 degree and all the sides are equal, so it is a regular polygon. In case of square, all the sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree, so it is also a regular polygon. Irregular polygon. A polygon which are not regular is called a irregular polygon. Rectangle, rhombus, all the sides are not equal, all the angles are equal, but all the sides are not equal, opposite sides are equal, so it is a rectangle is a irregular polygon. In case of rhombus, not necessarily all the angles are equal, but all the sides are equal, so it is an irregular polygon. Now, number of sides and name of the polygon. When the polygon having 3 sides, it is called triangle. Polygon having 4 sides, quadrilateral. Polygon having 5 sides, it is called pentagon. When a polygon having 6 sides, it is called hexagon. Polygon having 7 sides, it is called heptagon. 8 sides, the name of the polygon is octagon. 9 side, name of the polygon is nonagon. 10 side, name of the polygon is decagon. Now for a regular polygon of n side, regular polygon of n side, regular means all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Roman 1, each exterior angle is 360 degree by n, each interior angle equal to 180 minus each exterior angle. In a convex polygon of n side, in a convex polygon of n side, Roman 1, sum of all exterior angle equal to 4 into right angle, that is 4 into 90 degree equal to 360 degree. Sum of all interior angle equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, where n equal to number of sides. Number of diagonals of a regular polygon of n side equal to n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is the number of sides. Now exercise 14a, question number 1. Find the measures of each exterior angle of a regular pentagon. So it is a pentagon and regular. So here number of sides equal to n equal to 5. So each exterior angle equal to 360 by 5 degree equal to 72 degree. In case of hexagon, number of side equal to 6. So each exterior angle equal to 360 by 6 degree equal to 60 degree. Polygon of n equal to 15 sides. So each exterior angle equal to 360 by 15 degree equal to 24 degree. Question number 2. Let each exterior angle of a regular polygon of n side is 50 degree. Let each exterior angle of a regular polygon of n side is 50 degree. So find the number of sides. So 360 by n, it is the exterior angle because number of sides is n. So polygon having n side, exterior angle is 360 by n degree, and it is given that 50 degree is the exterior angle, so both are equal. From this linear equation, n equal to 360 by 50 equal to 36 by 5 equal to 7 whole 1 by 5. So n equal to 7 whole 1 by 2. 7 whole 1 by 5, which is not a whole number, but n is number of side. N equal to 7 whole 1 by 5, n must be whole number, but here n is not a whole number, so which is not a whole number. So it is not possible to have a regular polygon of each exterior angle is 50 degree. Next, question number 3. Find the measures of each interior angle of a regular polygon of 10 side. Find the measures of each interior angle. So each exterior angle of a polygon of 10 side equal to 360 by 10 whole degree equal to 36 degree. So each interior angle equal to 180 minus exterior angle 36 degree, it is exterior angle. So 180 minus 36 degree equal to 144 degree. So each interior angle equal to 144 degree. Question number 4. Let each interior angle of a regular polygon of n side is 100 degree. So n is the number of sides. So each exterior angle equal to 360 by n whole degree. So each interior angle is 180 minus exterior angle. So it is the value of each interior angle, and it is given that each interior angle is 100 degree. So these two values are equal. So according to the condition, 180 minus 360 by n here equal to 100. So after solving, we get n equal to 4 whole 1 by 2, which is not a whole number. N is the number of side. So if it is whole number, then it is possible that each exterior angle of a regular polygon of n side is 100 degree. But n is not a whole number, so which is not a whole number. So it is not possible to a regular polygon of n side each exterior angle, each interior angle of a regular polygon of n side is 100 degree. Next, question number 5. Pentagon, here n equal to 5. So sum of all interior angle of a pentagon is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. So 2 into 5, because n equal to 5. In case of pentagon, find the sum of all interior angle. So sum of all interior angle of a pentagon is 2 into n minus 4 into 90 degree. So 2 into 5 minus 4, 90 degree equal to 540 degree. Question number 5, Roman 3. In case of nonagon, number of side n equal to 9. The sum of all interior angle of a nonagon is equal to, this is the formula, 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Put n equal to 9 in case of nonagon. So 2 into 9 minus 4 equal to 90 degree. So its calculated value is 1260 degree. So sum of all interior angle of a nonagon is 1260 degree. Next, what is the number of diagonals of a heptagon? For heptagon, n equal to 7. So number of diagonal equal to n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is the number of sides. Now here n equal to 7, so 7 into 7 minus 3 by 2, and its calculated value is 12. So number of diagonals of a heptagon is equal to 14. Question number 7. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon when each of the exterior angle is given. So each of the exterior angle is 40 degree. So number of sides equal to 360 by 40 equal to 9. Each exterior angle is 36 degree. When each exterior angle is 36 degree, then the number of side equal to 360 by 36 equal to 10. Next, question number 8. So it is the given figure, and these are the exterior angle. Measure of the exterior angle is given. Find the value of x. So sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. So these are the exterior angle. So angle CBF, angle CBF, this angle, plus angle DCG, here DCG, that means this angle, plus angle ADH, this angle, plus angle BAE, this angle. That means sum of this 4 exterior angle equal to 360 degree. Now put the value x plus 90 plus 50 plus 115 equal to 360. So sum of this number equal to 255. So x plus 255 equal to 360. X equal to 360 minus 255. X equal to 105. So value of the angle CBF equal to 105 degree. One more. Question number 9. In the given figure, regular pentagon, all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. Find the value of x, each interior angle. So here in the given figure, A, B, C, D, E is a regular pentagon. So all the angles and all the sides are equal. So sum of all interior angle equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. So here n equal to 5. So 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90 degree. 6 into 90 degree equal to 540. So sum of all interior angle equal to 540. Since it is a regular pentagon, so each interior angle are equal to 540 divided by 5, 108 degree. So x equal to 108. Thank you.